So now in this video, we'll try to learn how to insert that JSON data into SQL server. Okay. So this one why it's came in that picture. So suppose one of scenario where you need to insert that education of any student. So you have to either create 10th, 12th diploma. Some student maybe have 12, some student maybe have diploma. Some of them have BTech, some of them post graduation. So like this, if we go and create, there will be multiple columns, right? So to handle that, what we can do, we can use simply JSON data in that, and then we will try to insert that. Okay. So how we can do that? So let's move to now SQL Server and we'll try to do that. So now what I will try to do, I will try to create table UDND student details. Okay. And then we'll try ID. I will just take only two columns for now. ID as int and identity primary key. Okay. And second column I will take education and varchar of max. Okay. So for this one we need that data type of n varchar with that length of max, so that how many length it will be take care of all those things. That's why we are providing max. You can provide any number that suits for you. Okay. So now if I try to select from this one, select a star from student details. Okay. And let me comment out this one. So now you can see all values are blank. Now we'll try to insert that value in this one. Okay. So let me go here, insert into Steve. Let me copy this name so that it will be better. Student details. Okay. And we try to do that for education. So we'll copy this as well so that column name will be correct. Okay. So education, now we need to pass values. Okay. And this need to be close. And I need one more. Okay. So this will be our things. And now I need to provide in between that JSON value. Okay. So let me copy this JSON value. I have already one. And let me paste it here and I will uncomment all those first. Okay. So now you can see I'm trying to insert that education column, this value. Okay. Where I have that inside that education, I'm passing 10th and then a school name, year of passing and marks. Then again 12th, a school name, year of passing and marks. You can see in BTech, I'm passing that college name, year of passing, marks and marks type, CGP or whatever. So see here what all things are there. Here we can change that column name based on that our degree. Okay. The 10, 12 and BTech college name we can pass. Here we can pass that marks type also, CGP or whatever it is, right? So now in this way, if I try to insert that one row, let me run this one. Okay. Now execute this one. So one row got inserted. I will comment out this one. Now if you can see, if I try to see, one row is inserted. Okay. Right, in this way it's got inserted. Now suppose that if I wanted to insert one more rows, I will copy this. Okay, and I will insert it here now. So now first uncomment this one. Okay, so and I will make some changes. Public school for now I will make that one. Here also I will make one, and here I will make that marks of 79, so that this will be something different, and here I will make 94. Okay, year of passing. That is fine. Now in place of BTech, okay, suppose I wanted to make the diploma APLON, okay, caps lock is on, I will love that. Okay, and now if I insert this as well, I can execute this one. One more row got inserted. I will copy this and now try to insert one more. Then we can go ahead how we can select this value. Okay, this one is missing. Oh, set. So now let me uncomment this. Okay. And now I don't want diploma or BTech anything. I just need 10th and 12th for that student. Okay. So now let me insert one more row. Okay. So now if I come back here and try to do that display, now you can see here all values are now coming since I have not updated in third one. So it's showing same name. But you can see three row inserted here. You can put that student name and this ID in place of primary key. You can pass that student ID and then it will work fine. Okay. So that you can take care. Now our situation came how we can do that value, right? So to do that, we need to just do in this way. Okay. We need to use that JSON value. Okay. So let me show you how we can do that. I have already that select a statement. So let's come here. Okay. And we need from this one. Okay. Is that EDUCATION, right? TION only. Okay. I think this will work. That not need to change anything. Yeah. So now you can see we are getting here where all diploma value is not there. So it's showing as null. Okay. What is DIPLOMA? What name I have given? Let me see now. IPLO DIPLOMA. Right. Okay. Diploma don't have a school. This have that college name, right? So you can see I pass it here a school name. So that's why I'm getting that. So this column name need to be correct. Okay. So now if I run it back, you can see now I got one diploma. Okay. And other 10th marks is there, 12th marks also I took it and I put it as marks. Then BTech where all it's not BTech, then it's showing as a null. So in this way you can store all those education details of a student in JSON format, and then you can use that JSON value, then column name, and then which format you have stored that you need to pass and then need to retrieve that, and you can easily display in that UI whenever you needed. Okay. So in this way you can achieve it. Okay. So I hope you understand that and you like this one. Thank you.